country in 40 years.
San Diego's most accurate forecast, Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Empire Today. We make getting beautiful new floors easy.
All right, we want fun, sun, and drink in that order, Angelica.
Well, they have a great weekend ahead of them. It's going to be perfect for all those things, so take advantage of it. Let's take you to our sky cam, and I'm hoping that this will pan over to the sunset. It may just take too long, but take my word for it. It was beautiful out there, orange skies. It just happens that where it's sitting right there, it's not as pretty, but I promise it is really nice out there. As we take a look at the wind gusts, they're still pretty strong in parts of the county, including Borrego, where it's averaging 37 miles per hour. Those are actually the strongest winds I've seen so far this afternoon, but it's getting better along the coast, and it should continue to improve over the next 30 minutes. This will expire at 8 o'clock tonight. Expecting conditions to be much better heading into tomorrow, but tonight is going to be a cold one out there. Temperatures will make up for that on Friday and Saturday, and then on Sunday, the return of the marine layer. It's going to bring back some clouds and even the possibility for some patchy fog. High pressure is setting up, and this is one of the main reasons why we're going to be so warm and so nice tomorrow. Storm system to our north, the one that brought a trace for some of you this morning, it's actually going to be turning into another snowmaker, believe it or not, for the plains in the Midwest. They're getting ready for a lot of snow. It is unbelievable. Over the last couple of weeks, we can pretty much pinpoint snow in some part of the nation. And here we're getting ready for a warm up. 81 to 83 in our inland valleys. At the coast is going to be fantastic, although water temperature is still in the low 60s. Tonight, 46 in Poway, 56 in San Diego, and 51 in Chula Vista. Tomorrow's temperatures will be fairly comfortable, actually pretty nice, 79 in Ramona. If you remember, we started the week with upper 90s, tonight down in the 40s, and then tomorrow we jump another 10 degrees. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, mid-70s, mostly sunny skies on Friday. A beautiful Saturday to start off the weekend, 71 on Sunday, and then next week we're going to keep it cool on Monday and Tuesday. Still comfortable, low 70s, not bad. Wednesday night into Thursday, we may have another passing shower. At least there is a chance, but the forecast looks dry, sunny, and perfect for all the fun the sailors want to have this weekend.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
We know they will. Thank you.